Good morning, student. 12th Science English Medium, Chapter number 3, Human Reproduction, Parturition and Lactation. First of all, the average duration of human pregnancy about 9 months. Means pregnancy time period is 9 months, which is called gestation period. First definition of gestation period. Clear? Next point, vigorous contraction of uterus at the end of pregnancy cause expulsion and delivery of the fetus. This time period it is a delivery of the fetus, means parturition. Clear? This process of delivery of fetus, repeat this sentence, this process of delivery of fetus means childbirth is also known as parturition, means definition. Clear? Parturition is the included by a complex of neuroendocrine mechanism, and the neuroendocrine mechanism for signals of the parturition originate for fully developed fetus, means fully developed fetus after this condition parturition, and the placenta which include mild the uterine contraction called fetal ejection reflex, means outside the body in female for new child. These triggers relax for hormones oxytocin, main function of oxytocin from the maternal pituitary. Oxytocin act as a uterine muscles and cause stronger uterine contraction. Oxytocin function means uterine muscles. In NEET Gujarat MCQ, which function of oxytocin for uterine muscles or uterine contraction? Clear? Next, which in stimulate further secretion of oxytocin? The stimulatory reflex between uterine contraction and oxytocin secretion continues, resulting in stronger and stronger contraction. This is condition for the hormones of oxytocin. This leads to expulsion of the baby out of uterus through the birth canal. This condition, this birth canal, this is embryo, outer side release, parturition process. Clear? Next point, the mammary gland of the female undergoes differentiation during pregnancy and starts producing. In this condition, mammary gland produce for the milk towards end of pregnancy by process of lactation. Lactation process means producing of milk during this period of pregnancy. Clear? Main NEET Gujarat and regular board MCQ. This helps for mother in feeding a newborn. This milk secrete for the nutrient for the child. The milk produced during initial few days for lactation, few days means 6 months. Colostrum, which contains several antibodies, absolutely essential to the develop resistance for newborn babies, 6 months. Clear? And breastfeeding during the initial period of infant growth of recommended by doctors and bringing about of healthy baby. Pregnancy woman, this type of milk nutrient provide, means milk provide to the new child baby after this infant of growth, means growth and development for the baby. Clear? Main function this clear theory. First of all, oxytocin means uterine contraction and uterine contraction and uterine muscles. Clear? Next point, lactation definition, parturition definition, and colostrum. Colostrum means the milk produced during initial few days of lactation is called colostrum, which contains several antibodies absolute with essential to the born babies, means breastfeeding during this period initial recommended by the doctors for healthy baby. Milk is produced by new child born, means health is healthy baby, and growth and development of baby. Thank you.